What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today at Target we found the brand new, the very first playset for Spin Master Monster Jam, and it's none other than the Dragonoid Stunt Dial playset. Alright guys, so here it is, the very first playset for Spin Master Monster Jam. This was found in Target. Not too sure why, but Target seemed to be getting the playsets in very quickly. They did with the Megalodon set, they did with the Tiger Shark set, and they also did with the Dragonoid set as well. And Walmart's Also By Me have now just recently got mix 12 of the Spin Master trucks. And if you're lucky, some stores actually did find Mix 13, so there's that as well. However, Target, it just seems like they get playsets more. Anyway, here it is. This is the Dragonoid flip set. One interesting fact with this is I think it's kind of weird how Spin Master came out with a flip set or playset, and Hot Wheels also came out with a flip set, which was the Tiger Shark, which was pretty cool. And kind of weird how both companies have a playset that both of them do flips. Kind of different. But here it is, the exclusive Dragonoid. So this is pretty cool. This is actually the first time we will see Dragonoid in 2021. There is, I think, one or two that's going to be in the single packs. I think maybe Mix 17 or Mix 18, not too sure on which one. From the looks of this, it looks like it just has a gray chassis, black roll cage, but we'll take a closer look once we open. And now we're moving on to the back of this. So basically it looks like just a normal launcher goes up here, and it looks like this will grab the truck and either flip it. So it's going to be interesting to see if it actually does flip very good. And it looks like it has a landing jump. I don't know if that's included in the set, but yep, actually it says it right there. This is actually the first time I'm really looking at the packaging. So it does come with a landing ramp. And yeah, this thing looks pretty cool. I wonder how this is actually going to work, and if it actually is going to work pretty well. So I can't wait to see that. And on the back of these packages, I always look around to see if there's like a hidden Easter egg of like a truck or something. So I don't think there's really any back there. But yeah, pretty cool packaging. Can't wait to crack it open. I really like this. This is pretty cool how they did that on the box right there, the little spindle. But cool package design. Let's crack this thing open and see what's inside. Alright, so as you guys see, there's a decent amount of pieces here. It doesn't look that complicated. There are some stickers that you're going to have to put on, and the infamous problem cards. But yeah, I'm going to put this thing together. It shouldn't be too hard, and yeah. Alright guys, so here it is all set up, and it really wasn't that much of an issue to set up. However, this part was a little tricky because you gotta like snap them together, and when I did that, I accidentally did break a little piece off. Now, I'm not too sure if this little piece right here is gonna play an important role, but we'll find out. So, stickers are very easily put together. I actually like this ramp. It has like a suspension kind of ramp going on. Now, I haven't tried this yet, so we're going to see how it does. So basically what you want to do is put Dragonoid right there on the launcher, and you want to launch it. Now, there are a different couple ways you can do this. I'm not too sure what is the best way, but you just want to just kind of flies up like that. Alright guys, so you saw a little bit of the videos of the truck flipping. Sadly mine kind of broke, as you saw in that last video. This piece did break, and I do think this is a good playset when it's working well together. I'm actually going to try to fix this, but it looks like I'm really going to have to dive into it here. I might even run out and get another one if I find another one. But yeah, I think it's a pretty cool set. It does work with any kind of truck, Spin Master truck or Hot Wheels truck if you want to use that. I mean, it gets good air. So, one thing I wanted to look at on the back, because I wasn't sure if I set it up the right way, but I think it's adjustable to where you can adjust that. My piece actually broke in here, so when you turn this, it kind of like, you can see it kind of like bends. So when the truck gets pressure on it, it doesn't work correctly. So I'm going to see if maybe I can get another one. But yeah, this does come with two things here, or four things, which I didn't know. So it comes with a backflip ramp, a corkscrew ramp, a front flip, and a super jump. I honestly like the super jump. I think that works pretty well. The corkscrew does work well too, and the backflip and the front flip, I don't know, it's kind of, maybe just mine is a little broken. But nonetheless, I do think it's a pretty cool set. We did get a brand new Dragonoid, exclusive one, and I wouldn't say this is probably the best set that Spin Master came out with, because I do like the zombie one. I think the Megalodon one was definitely one of the best. So, as for playsets, probably not my favorite one from Spin Master, but nonetheless, something cool, something new, and I think it needs maybe mine. Maybe I just got like a defective piece, but yeah, I don't know. Anyway, the main reason, the truck. That's of course why I got it, but I do like it, and I also really like this. I do like this ramp. This is a really nice ramp that it does come with, or landing ramp if you want to call it that. But we're going to try the corkscrew here and see if this works. Kind of. It landed it, so it worked there. I'm going to guess this is the backflip one, or no, that is the, let's actually take a look here. That is the front flip, so I don't know how that's going to, see if it works with Earthshaker here. Didn't really hit it that hard. Kind of, you saw the truck arc a little bit in the air. I mean, it works. That time I just flew over it. So it does work, it's just that I think my piece just kind of got broken on a way where it's just not performing up to 100%. But nonetheless, still a cool set. I'm going to try it again here with Dragonoid. Now, I don't know, I mean, I hope this thing works, because this thing is pretty cool. As you can tell, the truck just goes straight up in the air. I mean, I like the air it gets, that's definitely unique. And now this ramp is the super jump. So it definitely got higher. That was actually pretty cool. And now this one, see, this one's weird, because it's like, this is the backfoot ramp, but you gotta like push it in. I don't know, it's, let's see. Kind of. I mean, I like the way the truck's getting a lot of air. Oh. See, now this is where that piece broke. You can tell it's not turning or anything. That was pretty cool. So, I mean, it does work. I like it. It's pretty cool when it's working 100%. I love the truck that it comes with, and I do love the landing ramp. This actually, I'm thinking about using this in a racing video or something. We'll see what happens. But with that being said, let me know what you guys think about this playset. It's definitely a cool one with Dragonoid. Do I think it could have been better? Yeah, I wouldn't say it's the best playset from Spin Master, but it's definitely a unique one. And let me know if you guys get this, and it works a little better for you, and it doesn't break for you guys, because I did break this piece, and this piece basically would go into this and hook this right in here. So hopefully I can find another set, and we'll see what happens. But nonetheless, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and I shall catch you guys in another video very shortly.